You can create a tourist audience from GeoFrames or Quick Select. For this example, let's use Quick Select. I'll choose a category, type in hotels, and select search. From there, I can then define my target area by either selecting a state and then selecting a city. Then I can choose my historical date range. I'll just choose the last 30 days. Then I'll give this a unique audience name and select Create Audience. This will take me back to my audience library. I'll scroll over to the right and on a completed audience, select Download. From here, I'm going to download addresses, devices, counts, click Process, then Download. Once downloaded, let's sort by city or state. For this example, I'll sort by state, add a filter, and filter for everyone that lives within Tennessee. From here, I'm going to delete all the devices that have a home address inside the state of Tennessee. I'll delete them, and what remains are all the devices that live in every other state. Once I've done that, I can delete all these additional columns, and what remains are just the devices of my tourists. I'll save this as a CSV file as a new tourist audience. From here, back in the audience platform, I'll go to Audience Import. I'll label this as Nashville Tourists and upload my device file. Once uploaded, I'll click Import Audience. And now, when I navigate back to my audience library, I'll see my new audience is there and ready to be published to wherever I would like to utilize it.